You can wash your car regularly or weekly due to getting rid of common irritants like tar, road grime, and bird droppings that can eventually damage your car paint. But how frequently should your car be washed to keep it in good condition? Can a car be washed by too many ways? And it is depend on your lifestyle, the environment where you reside, and how you store your car while you're not using it. And microfiber towels are giving better experience to come out from the problem. One major improvement has been the incorporation of microfiber fabrics, which are far softer than materials like cotton or paper. They are also more absorbent, less abrasive, and less likely to leave lint behind when cleaned or auto-detailing. There are many microfiber towels in the market with different features, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed purchase decision, I conducted extensive research and found a list of the best microfiber towels for cars from reputable brands. After reading reviews and conducting my own research, I discovered these products to be very helpful for people like you. If you want more information like price and more about these product or other details, please check the description below. So without any further delay, let's watch the video. Research. I discovered these products to be very helpful for people like you. If you want more information like price and more about these product or other details, please check the description below. So without any further delay, let's watch the video. Product 1: Adams Ultra Plush Drying Towel. Product specification: color, white. Brand: Adams Polishes. Towel form type: cleaning cloth. Age range: all ages. Material: microfiber. Key features: soft and extremely absorbent microfiber, won't scratch or swirl delicate surfaces. A safe and effortless way to dry your car. Measure 24" into 36", 540 GSM. Description of the product: Adams Ultra Plush Drying Towel is the ideal size for the job. Fold the towel carefully in half or quarters, thin side towards the surface. A small mist of detail spray, which works as a drying aid and reduces the possibility of water spots during drying, will give the wet car an extra boost of shine. Adams Ultra Plush Drying Towel easily soaks up water and can quickly dry any car body. It is made with high-quality microfiber fabric. This towel is perfect for drying and reducing the possibility of scratches due to the ultra softness. Every time after washing, you will get swirls and scratches-free drying experience on car surface. It is conduct at 540 GSM. These towels are high quality and durable for any application. Usages: advantages: soaked up water well, good coverage, not make any scratch on surface. Product 2: 𝘽𝙪𝙮𝙬𝙬 Water Magnet Microfiber Drying Towel. Product specification: color, yellow. Brand: 𝘽𝙪𝙮𝙬𝙬. Towel form type: cleaning towel. Material: microfiber. Product dimensions: 30" length x 22" width. Key features: machine washable, 30 into 22 into 0.4 inches. Leaves a spot-free finish without streaking. Less ring outs and better absorbency. Description of the product: long-standing water magnet, while being buried in the middle of an extremely tight-knit midfield, still puts in a respectable performance. In the soak test, its waffle weave had trouble competing with the best. It filled up on the bonnet quite quickly and required more wringing than its competitors, but it left a good finish. Meguiar's Water Magnet Microfiber Drying Towel have less ring outs and better absorbency, and it should absorbs up to 2 times the water to compare with traditional other terry towel. It will gives you a spot-free drying experience without streaking and lint-free. We can say it is high-quality microfiber towel for depend on its quality. You can use it to many times, and it is also machine washable towel. Usages: advantages: soaked up water well, good coverage, doesn't make any scratch on surface. It is also affordable. Product 3: Max Shine Professional Microfiber Towel Set. Product specification: color, yellow. Size: 16" into 24". Brand: Max Shine. Towel form type: cleaning towel. Material: microfiber. Product dimensions: 24" length into 16" width. Key features: Max Shine microfiber towels offer high-level shine results under any heavy task. Reusable and machine washable. Brilliant for cleaning car exteriors or for removing grimes and dirt from interiors. Description of the product: Max Shine Edgeless Microfiber Towel is unique super soft microfiber towels, and it have long service life. Also it is gives to you scratch-free. lint-free and swirl-free car surface drying experience. It have high water absorption efficiency, it is edgeless design, and craftsmanship creates long-lasting durability. The set towels is very convenient for you to use, suitable for drying car surfaces or any car care activities. Usages advantages: very easy to use, and with a rubbing side lint-free towel. Strong sanitization ability, long service life. Product for Mr. 𝙭𝙯 Microfiber Cleaning Cloth. Product specification: color, yellow, green, pink, blue. Brand, Mr. 𝙭𝙯. Towel type, cleaning cloth. Age range, all ages. Material, microfiber. Key features: 85% polyester and 15% nylon. Ultra soft material and scratch free. Tackle versatile cleaning jobs. Quick dry. Description of the product: microfiber cleaning cloths is ultra soft and highly absorbent, great for cleaning on car body surface, and also different applications. It's made of 85% polyester and 15% nylon. Water will be soaked up instantly by these non-abrasive cleaning rags on countertops and any surface. With high-quality stitching and reinforced edges, these towels is durable and will last hundreds of washing. They are lightweight, super absorbent and dry quickly, so you can use them every day to enjoy your cleaning routine. Usages advantages: it is reusable. Polyester material used for made this. It is able to remove hard dust. Product 5 Chemical Guys Woolly Mammoth Drying Towel. Product specification: color, blue. Brand, Chemical Guys. Towel form type, cleaning towel. Age range, all ages. Material, microfiber. Key features: Woolly Mammoth Microfiber Dryer Towel. The softest, shaggiest, and most absorbent microfiber drying towel ever made. Perfect for drying because they are ultra soft, ultra plush, and stitched for scratch-free wiping on paintwork. Description of the product: the Woolly Mammoth Drying Towel from Chemical Guys has an incredibly velvety, silky feel that makes it ideal for drying. It is embroidered for one-pass, mark-free wiping on painted surfaces. It has superior silk banding along all four sides for the softest, scratch-free touch from every aspect. It has a 1-inch thick microfiber pile that softens every wipe on delicate paintwork, absorbs water, and picks up any mist dirt without scratching. This mammoth-sized towel is almost indistinguishable from a throw rug. It has a whopping 25 by 36 inch coverage and nearly half an inch of thickness. Rephrase: the fibers in the suede cloth are made up of 30% polyamide for added absorption. The large size can be a disadvantage, as it becomes awkwardly heavy when filled with water. You'll want to run it through the wash once before use to remove any lint or debris. Usages advantages: it is reusable. Polyester material used for made this. It is able to remove hard dust. I am finished with this. I make helpful videos with my all-over experience, so please subscribe to my channel, and if you need more information or want to know the price of a product, check out my description on Amazon. If there is anything wrong that you would like me to address, please leave a comment below. I will be happy to help. Stay updated with our cool products by following us on social media.